Basically, if we are building the machines ourselves and we are the owners of the machines, then we could make them do what we want, right? So because then in this case we have authority over them. We are their masters. But the thing is, I'm not talking about a scenario in which machines have complete agency and they kind of independent agents in the world. You could think about that possibility in a very long-term future, but I'm thinking more of a scenario in which we interact with machines that belong to other people. So maybe I'm buying or selling something on an online marketplace, but the other party, whether it's a company or an individual, is represented by a machine and some kind of AI. And in this case, the AI doesn't have to do what I tell them to do because they have another master. And in this case, they have an objective, and this objective may conflict with my objective. And that's a situation where we may benefit from finding a cooperative agreement.
Well, I would say on the one hand side, it seems to be like an evergreen topic, as human-machine interaction is a very, very established field in engineering, in computer science, in management. But I think we are reaching some new dimensions of this facet. On the one hand side, all the applications of algorithms, decision support by AI and machine learning demands very clear dashboards where the predictions and prescriptions that come from an algorithm are being communicated to a human decision maker. And we just have to deal with questions of information overload and so on. But this somehow is the old thinking that a machine is supporting, augmenting the human, and that in the end, the human is a decision maker. However, we now also see the other way around, that the machine becomes a decision maker and that the human somehow is supporting the machine. So we need interfaces the other way around, where humans are training machines, which is actually a nice research paradigm.
Yeah, so I basically think that the problem of the information age is no longer just a computer science problem. In the old days, computer scientists would build things, and then people would like them or not like them, and if they don't like them, they would go and fix it. They would fix the system, and then slowly we had ideas from psychology and other fields kind of get into the field of computer science to help to create the field of human-computer interaction, which studies how to design better user interfaces and so on. But I think now artificial intelligence and social media and information technology in general is touching everything, every aspect of human society. And therefore, it touches economics, and it touches politics, and it touches social relationships and child development. And I think we need, computer scientists can no longer be singularly tasked with getting it right. It's unfair even to ask them, to expect them to do that. So instead, we have experts in these fields, and these experts have a lot to say, and they have a lot of methods that would be useful in helping us understand how machines are impacting us.